So you guys are looking for an e-scooter. Now, I've sold numerous e-scooters, different brands, different models. This particular one is the Hiboy S2 Pro. What I want to talk about, you guys, is what they don't tell you. Now, I switched over from a pneumatic tire, meaning air tires on these scooters, to a solid honeycomb wheel. Now, why did I do that? Now, this is what they don't tell you. It takes hours to replace a flat. Now, I replaced numerous flats on a couple of the pneumatic air-tired e-scooters that I've owned. And what a lot of people don't realize, I'm going to tilt this over here so you guys can check this out. So I do want to point out, generally you have to put these on the side or flip them over. There are some scooter shops that will repair your flats on your scooter. Now, this is a solid honeycomb wheel, you guys, but just giving you an example. Here's your ID VIN number on your scooter. It could be in various other places depending on what brand. This is the Hiboy. Now, again, what I did mention is that it's a lot of work to repair flats on these. So keep in mind, carefully choose your scooter based on where you're going to be riding it, the conditions, the distances, etc. Now, this one here, like most, the majority of all of them, you have to take off this belly right here, giving you access to the bottom. Some of them you have to loosen the top floorboard. They'll give you access. Now, the motor on this one here is in front, and then you have your brake in the back over here. So some of them have the motor in the back, some in the front. So you have to remove all this. Now, it takes quite a bit of time to do all this, and then it allows you, giving you access to the harness that's under here, which you disconnect, and then there's an axle generally. Most of the larger scooters with pneumatic wheels have the motor in the back, so you got to remove the axle, you got to remove these little caps over here, or a little tape that hides the nut and bolt on both sides, and then you remove your wheel. Now, I've done this numerous times, so it's taken me about an hour and a half to 2 hours, so keep that in mind. Then you have to worry about not pinching the tube when you replace the flat on it. Things to consider, so keep that in mind before purchasing your e-scooter. Paying somebody $75 to $150 to replace it, which is probably a third of the cost of the scooter. So leave you guys with that.